Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to prepare a recipe from our Food Hero website called Razzleberry Shiver. Before we start, we're going to wash our hands for 20 seconds with warm water, scrubbing really well, making sure we get the tops of our hands in between our fingers, our thumbs, and our fingernails. Okay, rinse all that soap off. Okay, let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need a cup of raspberries, and you can use fresh or frozen fruit for this recipe. We're going to need 2 bananas, half a cup of low-fat yogurt. The recipe calls for plain yogurt. I'm using vanilla flavored yogurt. I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup of low-fat milk. We're going to use our blender, and we're going to need some small bowls. I'm going to go and wash my fruit before we get started. So we're going to go ahead and give our fruit a rinse with cold water. And then we're going to wash our bananas too. Remember, we have to wash the bananas because a lot of people touch these. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our fruit. I have it here already washed up and ready to go. So the 2 bananas to put into the blender, and our raspberries, a cup of raspberries. We're gonna add half a cup of the yogurt. The recipe calls for some sugar to be added at the end. So I'm not going to add the sugar because I chose to use the flavored yogurt and it already has sugar in it. So we're not going to add that extra sugar. Okay, our milk. Then we're going to blend all this up. Okay, so this is ready. We're going to go ahead and pour it into these little bowls and freeze for about 2 hours. Okay, for more healthy recipes, visit foodhero.org. And thanks for watching.